Hello, my friends. I am here to talk to you about something very exciting. I have been working like crazy trying to get this finished, and it's not quite finished, but I think you have enough to go on now to decide if you want to create this project or not. So it's based on the Cape Cod collection that's coming up starting July 1st. It's a mini album and I really think you're going to love it. All right, so I'm going to switch my camera to, oops, sorry, that's not what I wanted to do. I hit the wrong button. Okay, all right, you can see I've been working. I'm just going to turn on my other light here so you can see better. All right, so bear in mind that the project, I should say, is right from plain paper and chipboard to this. So we will go step by step. You'll create the book, then you'll create the pages that go in the book. Then we will cut all the pattern paper and then you will embellish. All right, so it'll be 3 videos altogether. The first one we're going to be cutting. The second one we're going to be creating the book. And the last one we're going to be doing the embellishments. All right, so there are going to be several levels for this project. So I just want to tell you about those first so that you can be thinking about that as you're watching me go through the book. So the first level is the embellished kit. That gets you everything you see here that you need to create this book, no exceptions, except a couple of images that are stamped from 2 of the stamp sets, which I've added in as an add-on that you can purchase at a 20% discount if you're buying with the kit. All right, but all the Cricut cuts, the sticker sheet, all the embellishments, all of that, the ribbon, everything comes in the kit. Okay, so that's the embellished kit. You get everything. Then there's the paper kit. All right, so for that one, you don't get any embellishments, no Cricut cuts, no set of embellishments from the Cape Cod package. And sorry. And oh, I'm just looking at my list here. Sorry. And no flip flops. I forgot to mention the flip flops. There are 4 3x4 flip flops included in the embellished kit. So you get all of the paper. You get the chipboard sheets, all the white daisy. There's 12 white daisy cardstock sheets. You get your magnets. There's 3 sets of 2, so 6 magnets altogether, which also comes in the embellished kit. Sorry, I missed that part. You get the Cape Cod paper pack and sticker sheet. You get the Cape Cod bulk paper pack sheets. You get 3 of those in the kit. And you get all your colored cardstock. So there's 2 Lagoon, 3 Periwinkle, 2 Toffee, and 2 Glacier. Okay, and then that's it. That's all you get for that. So it's up to you to supply the embellishments. Then there's the basic kit. All right, so that is if you want to create the album, but you don't necessarily want to create a beach theme. So for that one, you're going to get the 2 chipboard sheets you need and all the white daisy cardstock and the thin magnets. Okay, so you'll still get the 6 magnets. Okay, but that's all you get with that kit. Okay, and then you have your video access only. So if you want to use all your own materials, you want to use a different color cardstock, different chipboard, whatever, like you're just going to be on your own as far as all your materials, you can just purchase video access for this project. And then on top of that, I will have a set of guides, printable guides that will be available for you to purchase if you want them. Okay, so we will be going step by step through this together. We will be doing all the cutting together. And if you want to have a paper guide of all the cutting instructions and all the assembly instructions, all right, you can purchase that as well. Okay, so those are all the levels. It's lots. Okay, here's the cover. The beach is calling. So pretty. I have had so much fun doing this. Okay, so we're going to start by moving this in just a wee bit, moving all of this over because I want you to be able to see this close as possible. There we go. All right, so you've got lots of pockets, lots of flaps, lots of tags, lots of fun. It's just really cool. Okay, so here's your first pull out. Okay, and then inside of that, you have another pull out here. Okay, and you can do something on the back if you want. You can also do something on the back of this one if you like. And then we have this cute little door here that opens up and you've got room for photos. And you will not believe how many photos in here already. I mean, it's pretty amazing. Okay, sticker and die cuts. Yeah, all sorts of good fun. Okay, here's a flap that comes up and you see a 3x4 photo here. Then you've got some tags, lots of fun. You can use both sides if you want. Okay, and then you've got another photo here. Okay, now remember, this is just my interpretation. So once you get all of your materials or you've got everything cut out, you can decide for yourself which photos you're going to, which size of photos you want to use and where. Okay, it's entirely up to you. Okay, so that's that. And then over here, we have a page of these little ones. Okay, and you can use those just as they are because they're cute. You can put a 2x2 photo on them if you want. You can use for journaling. It's entirely up to you. Then we have our first magnetic page. So that opens like this. You can see the magnet. You'll hopefully hear it. Okay, and that's how it looks. Now I haven't quite got everything finished here yet, but it's a work in progress. Okay, and I'm going to put some photos there. Okay, and then you've got a 4x6 and 2 more 4x6s. All right. I don't want to lose that. Okay, and then we'll flip over. Okay, and whoops. And you've got another magnet here. Okay, with photo. I'm going to do something here. I just haven't decided what yet. Okay, and then you have this in here. Okay, and it opens up as a little booklet. That goes in like that. And then on this page also, I've left this open on the top. And I have another pullout in here. Okay, and you can also use the back. And I will show you how to do this. You can do this on every page if you want, or you can leave the sides open. It's entirely up to you. Okay, so we looked at those. Yes, we did. We looked at this side. No, we didn't. I just pulled that out. Man, okay, I hope I pulled this down. Yes, I did. It's been a long day. Okay, and then here's another pull out for you. And then in here, you've got room for more photos. Just so much room in here. It's unbelievable, really. Okay, and then here we have a little open and shut flap. Okay, and inside that, you've got room for 4 3x4 photos. Okay, now some of you will get this orientation and some will get that are attached at the top, but they're the same size and will work the same way. Okay, and then here you've got your third and final magnetic closure. Okay, and I just want to bring this up a little closer just in case you cannot see that we've got some little shells happening here. And look at this little seagull. He's so cute. I just love him. Okay, and then opens. This one is a little different than the first one, and it opens as a waterfall. All right, so you can add in your photos there. Oops, see, it's held to the magnet. Okay, and then here's the end of the book. All right, and this one has a bit of a different flip flap sort of thing. I possibly am going to put a 3x4 photo there, not quite sure yet. Okay, and then we've got room for two little 2x2s here. All right, that's the clam page. And then this opens up like this. So we've still got this whole page here. Not quite sure about this page yet, but as I said, this is a work in progress. And then on our back cover, we've got wild and free, just like the sea. And then you have one final pullout here. Okay, so the back cover and the front cover are the same. I hope you can see that, just opposite of each other. All right, and then here's the back. So I'm not going to put anything on the back. We don't look at the back usually. All right. I keep catching these palm fronds on the edge of my Versamat. There, have to be more careful of that. Okay, so that is the book, and I am going to post this in my website, and you can see all of the particulars, all of the pricing. This is going to be happening near the end of July, and it will be on, I'll be streaming live and putting it into YouTube. All right, so we are going to do it as a Zoom to start with, and then it will go into YouTube and it will live there. So you don't have to be live to do it. You can do it later on. Doesn't really matter. The videos live on practically in perpetuity, I think, on YouTube. All right, I think that's all I needed to say. And I really, really hope that you'll come on this adventure with me. Oh, I forgot to show you the spine. So the spine is just matching this paper here. Okay, and the other thing I wanted to say about this is that I picked a design for this book that almost, I think anybody that's done any type of scrapbooking and knows how to handle a trimmer and adhesive, like a liquid adhesive and score tape and things like that, would be able to do this. I'm going to give you step by step so you don't have to worry. I'll be with you every step of the way to create that. All right. I'm hoping to hear from you very, very soon.